Hi guys, welcome to coderinme. Today we will talk about a new topic that is batch classes in Apex Salesforce. And maybe you all are very much familiar with that word, that is batch classes. First, I will tell you a little bit, introduce you about batch classes. So first of all, what it is and how it looks like. Suppose what I want to do, I just want to do a single thing, that if I have uh, 3,000 account, if I have 3,000 accounts, and I have some users, or you can say some managers that are working on it, and every day they want to check that how many accounts have a type of this, or how many account have multiple opportunities or multiple contact. So every day this needs to be done. Or suppose I want to send a single email to every contact or every campaign or every lead to the to campaign or campaign users name. Suppose I want to send thousands of mail to every campaign members. So there are a method that is send email, but I want to do that by code. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will create a batch class, and that batch class will take some value and update it one by one and two by two, or according to the chunk size, and that batch classes will work until uh, every number of records can be completed, because on a single run any class will exceed the CPU limit size or CPU time limit, but batch class will not, because we can define the batch size. Okay, and we can also use it for scheduling. Suppose on every Monday I want to do something, or on every morning at 8 p.m. I want to do something, 8 a.m. I want to do something. For that purpose, we can use batch class that can be used in a scheduler class, and that can be scheduled for any time, weekly, monthly, or yearly type thing. So please, we will check what is the structure of that. So here you can say this is the sorry for that. This is the class name, global class. This is the class name, and in that we will use implement, like you can say that, like we have used already in Java or anything. So we will use database.batch, that is implements. So this will tell the Salesforce or that this is the batch class. Implements database batch. Okay, we have to also give the type of that also. I will tell you about that more about later. So you can see here that is the data type of that batch class. So this is the object type, or this will be based on account, like that. Okay. There are three methods in the batch class. First is start, then execute, then finish. In the start method, what we will do, we will work on a query, on a single query, and that query must be written like there can be thousands of query, or 3 query, or 5 query, or 5, because we already know that every query takes some time. So this query in the start, this query or this work will execute only once, and in this the most important part will be execute, because I want to check that how many accounts have created. So I will use the query of account here. Okay, so the query execution will be done here, and that data will be sent to in that execute method. Okay, it is of two types: global database query locator or iterator. One is iterator. so we can use that also. And in that execute we will do every functionality what we want to do. We want to update something, we want to create something, or we want to send some mail, we want to do something, so that will use in the execute method. So that is the main action thing. And we can use if we want some query, if we need any query, we can do that here also, but here only one query we can do that. Okay. The last one is finish. So the structure should be this is the return type. So if it is the, and this is global void finish, this is the third method, that is finish method. And in that, if you want to do after the batch, every batch execution you want to, after the execution, if you want to do something or send a mail that okay, this batch is created, or this batch has done some work, or this batch is completed, so then we can do this finish method. Okay. Generally we don't use this, but it will be used in your mega call. Okay. So suppose this is the this is a simple batch class, global class. This is a batch name that will be used in implement database.variable, and this is the return type of S object. Okay. So S object, any SSV object will be used, a standard object or Salesforce object will be used. Okay. The start method is there, and we will use always database that variable context BC, and this will be used here and here also. Okay. In every method, the first parameter is database variable context BC. Here also. I write a query that is a string, select ID from account where created date is equal to tomorrow, and then return database.getQuery locator. Okay, so now this will give the query, and this will be stored in list of account, that is scope. This will be stored in scope. If I want to update that, this is the finish method that we have not used, and that method I want to do some action, then we can do it there. Okay. So one second. So if I want to edit that, so I can use for scope. So what I am doing, just updating that account name with the name and hyphen and the due date with the due date. Okay. So I'm just doing it, update description, because I want to update that. Okay. So we can do that also. And then save. Okay. And how I will execute it? So first of all, we have to remember it. Maybe the execution will not be go to developer and so on. Anonymous window. Take the name. Make a debug log also. And use some change set like that. Use some change helper that I have already told you, that Chrome plugin also for that, so you can renew it or use developer log and debug log also. Okay, so please remember it. Now its name, so anything that will happen here. Okay. So now I will execute it. This is the, so how I will do it, this is the our class name, and this is a simple instance class name, and we have to execute this. So method is database dot execute batch. This is the batch name, batch class name, that is the ends. This is the batch size. So suppose I want to do for 200. So if there are 1000 record, so first 200 will be executed, then after the second 200, and then third, this means 200 1 to 400, then 400 1 to 600. That how it will be executed. Okay, so suppose I will use execute highlighted. Go, then we have to check that okay it's working or not, because here we will use it and we will check it in debug log also. Okay, so batch Apex tooling executed anonymous have already started. Okay, so here you can see that it is executed, something happened, and a lot of things you can check. This is the anonymous window. This is the batch, this is the batch. Select ID from the account that you rows is equal to 0. So my account has been created. So what we can do, we can use something like that. Just create date is modify date. I can do something like modify date. I can edit something. What modified? One second. So we can use that also. This is already, so this is our class. In that what I will do, I will use last modified date because I use this right now. So at least one account will be updated. Okay. For that purpose, suppose this is execute highlighted. We have used in that it's executed, but I don't have used any some issue in my code that select ID, but I have not used account name, so I have to, because this is the error, subject to was retrieved by SQL without coding the requested field. So I have to put a name also from name from account. So now it's worked. Okay, this is all. I will put this again. Now we can check. Yeah, so the chunk handler will work on that. You can see here that yeah, this is the chunk. This was the name, this was the name account, and I have used it. This figure will work, last modified will work, and now the name is this. We can check it. Okay, what we did, the name will be executed with. Yeah. So now the name is okay, and date. Okay, so that was the manual. That if last modified day is equal to today, so we will add that. Okay, so if I want to execute this every day, what I will do, I will create a batch class. I will create a scheduler, and that will be the name will be there, implement schedulable, like that. That database.batchable. The same is implement schedulable. Okay, and this is the method. Here schedulable context. Let's see. Now the batch name, the same. Batch account update is the same name, and the size. Okay, the same is new batch account update. So for that, now you can execute it. So how you can do that by using like that class. So first of all, you have to make a batch, and then you have to make a schedulable. That was the simple. 1 second. Let's make something good like that. I have to duplicate it. Now it's okay. So and then first of all batch class, and then scheduled class. This is the same, implement schedulable. That is the method as execute, single method execute your context, and that is the batch class name. That database dot execute. Now I have to schedule it for every Friday or every day. This is the schedule Apex. Here we make a name something like the class name will be this, schedule batchable. This class name will be this. You can search it like that also, or here it will be available, or you can search it. Here is the option weekly or monthly. So I want weekly. In monthly there is the option on every month or last month or anything, on first Sunday or Monday. There's a many option on every day. So in week, every Thursday, Friday or Saturday. Only Saturday or Sunday is not allowed, like that. Start date or end date, from where to where it wants to, like that. And then prefer the start time, when it will be started, like 8 a.m. or 12 a.m. like that. Then save. So now this will be in queue, and we can check it in job. So there is a job like Apex job and schedule job. In Apex job, this is the schedule job, the name, and this is the Apex job, that is in the queue. This is the job that has done already. So this is completed, about it completed. Now the last one was this. So in the Apex job, every Apex class, that job was here, and then this is the coderinme job that is scheduled for next schedule is 15 to 2018 because 14 is already so now every day it will execute. We can change it, manage also. We can, if you want to see, or you can delete it also. If you want to see something is done or not, you can check it in Apex. Here you can see that by using this. So that's how we can use in batch. That's how simple is batch. You want to do maximum function, anything like that, you have to do it in the execute. Okay. You can use again query and query. Suppose I want to check opportunity of every account, so we can make a query on every account for opportunity here. Okay. I want to update any opportunity of an account, can do that. Okay, so you can do every action here, but the 3 methods will be there. So you have to remember this in that. And the second thing you can check here by database.execute batch. This is the size. Okay, and why they are giving the size? Because for 10,000 records, CPI time limit will be exceeded. So we can make 200 is maximum, or you can say standard. We use that. Okay, so we can check by 4 or 2 or 3 also. So that's not a matter. So we use normally 200. Okay, so that's how batch class will work. And in the 2-day batch, I will tell you more. I will tell you more about that. So here it was batch class and scheduler for Salesforce. Please like and subscribe our channel. follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Google Plus also. Please watch more videos, make a comment of us if you have any feedback. Thank you for watching. As you know, this is Saif from coderinme.